Here's how to use the waiting list feature on the Innowi point-of-sale system. To begin, tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Tap the waiting list option. If you can't see it, you may need to scroll up. Add a new customer by tapping this button. Input the customer's name here. Add a phone number to be able to contact them. List the number of guests here. Finally, if they are waiting for a specific table, add it here. Confirm by clicking Save. To clear the list, tap here. Here in the completed list, there are currently no past customers. When a table is free, notify the customer by tapping here. Add a phone number if it is not pre-filled and tap OK to send the SMS. The customer will receive a text like this. You may resend the SMS if needed by tapping here. Once a customer has been seated, tap Remove. Confirm by tapping Yes. Tap here to view the completed list. The customer and their details are now listed here. Tap the back arrow to return to the waiting list. This guide covered how to use the waiting list feature on the Innowi point-of-sale system. Thanks for watching.